Hello. Today we will talk about branches of biology. Divisions of biology are divided into different branches. 4 to get the knowledge of different aspect of life. Let's talk about some branches of biology. First branch is morphology. In biology, morphology refers to the study of the form, structure, and appearance of organisms. Anatomy. In biology, anatomy is the branch of science that deals with the structure of organisms and their parts. Histology. Histology is the branch of biology that focuses on the microscopic study of tissues and cells. Cell biology explores various aspects of their biology, including their molecular composition, organelles, metabolism, signaling pathways, and interactions with their environment. Physiology. Physiology is the branch of biology that deals with how living organisms function. It explores the processes and mechanisms that enable organisms to carry out vital functions such as digestion, respiration, circulation, and movement. Genetics. Genetics is the branch of biology that focuses on the study of genes, heredity, and genetic variation in living organisms. Embryology. Embryology is the branch of biology that studies the development of embryos from fertilization to the formation of a complete organism. Taxonomy. Taxonomy is the branch of biology that deals with the classification, identification, and naming of organisms. Paleontology. Paleontology is the scientific study of ancient life, focusing on the examination of fossils to understand the history of life on Earth. Environmental biology. Environmental biology is a branch of biology that focuses on the study of how living organisms interact with their environment and the impact of environmental factors on their biology. Sociobiology. Sociobiology is a field of biology that explores the biological basis of social behavior in animals, including humans. Parasitology. Parasitology is the branch of biology that focuses on the study of parasites, their hosts, and the relationships between them. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is a field of science that involves the use of living organisms, cells, and biological systems to develop products and technologies that improve human health, agriculture, industry, and the environment. Immunology. Immunology is the branch of biology that focuses on the study of the immune system, which is responsible for defending the body against pathogens, such as bacteria, viruses, parasites, and fungi, as well as abnormal cells, such as cancer cells. Entomology. Entomology is the branch of biology that focuses on the study of insects and their related organisms. Pharmacology. Pharmacology is the branch of biology and medicine that focuses on the study of drugs and their effects on living organisms. Molecular biology. Molecular biology is a branch of biology that focuses on the study of the structure, function, and interactions of biomolecules, particularly nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, and proteins, at the molecular level. Thank you.